Chicken wrap. Let's cook it. Take 1/4 cup of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. Start frying them at medium heat. Add 500 grams of boneless chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Add half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of chili, 1/4 of a teaspoon of coriander, and 1/4 of a teaspoon turmeric powder. Add salt as per taste. Cover them and cook them for 5 minutes in medium heat. After 5 minutes, add some scallion and cook for another 5 minutes in medium heat. For the sauce, take 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix them together. Place the sauce in the middle of the bread. Use 4 tablespoons chicken stuff. Put some latus. Put some more sauce as per taste. Fold it like this. Take a little butter and warm it up. Fry the wraps in low heat. Brush them occasionally. Stop frying when brown. Make a wrap with parchment paper. Cut it half before serving. You can remove the parchment paper like me before serving. Give it a try at home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Orange Bay for more videos like this.